Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video because I'm going to be showing you how I get a really sleek, smooth blowout hair at home using a new hairdryer that I've been loving the past few months. So if you enjoy this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you're new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, so this is a hairdryer here that I have been absolutely loving. This is the Zuvi Halo hairdryer, which looks like this. It's a very modern, sleek hairdryer that looks really cool. So the difference between this hairdryer and most other hairdryers out there is that the Zuvi Halo actually uses lightcare technology to dry the hair, whereas a lot of other hairdryers, as you know, use like extremely hot wind and air just to dry your hair as fast as possible. So basically this is like taking a walk outside and air drying your hair, you know, with the light outside and the kind of natural wind and that, so it's a little bit better obviously for your hair. The temperature of this goes to around 44 degrees Celsius, whereas a lot of other hairdryers go to around about 60 degrees Celsius, so of course it's a little bit healthier for your hair, and of course it uses that light technology. So the light technology kind of heats the hair up, dries it, kind of dries the surface of your hair so it doesn't dehydrate the hair, you know, it keeps it quite hydrated, so your hair will be kind of like smoother and shinier and healthier. And with the light technology inside it, it's a bit more energy efficient, you know, so it's like about 640 watts, whereas other hairdryers are traditional around 1700 watts, something like that. So yeah, that's what's really good about the hairdryer, and I'm excited to demo it for you today. I've been really loving it these past few months, and yeah, I was excited to put this video together and show you how great this hairdryer is. It comes with a few attachments for different hair types, so I'm just going to show you them right now. First of all, you can use the hairdryer the way it is here. So this kind of mirrored panel here, when you turn the hairdryer on, it actually you know, kind of lights up. So this is the light technology, which lights up and kind of produces like the heat that it needs to kind of dry your hair. So yeah, you'll see that in a little minute. So you can use a hairdryer just like this, and all the attachments that you get with it are magnetic, which is great. Using the hairdryer without any attachment, you get the best out of the light technology. Then this is the style concentrator attachment, which you use to straighten the hair and helps to smooth down all the little flyaways. This is the gentle air attachment, which you use if you have a more sensitive scalp. Then the last attachment we get with this is the diffuser, which you use if you have more curly hair. It also helps to keep your hair nice and curly for longer. Okay, so I'm just going to demo the hairdryer in a second. So I'm just going to take my hair down. So my hair is just slightly towel dried, and yeah, what I like to do is I use the light on it. So I just use the hairdryer like this, which you can see the light in a second. I usually use this to dry my hair like 80% of the way, and then what I'll do is I'll use like the style concentrator, which is this attachment right here. So I like to use that to smooth my hair and get a really nice sleek finish to my hair. I'm just going to brush through my hair just now. So my hair is still pretty wet just now, so my hair is rather thick. Like, it used to be a lot thicker than it is just now. It's thinning down quite a bunch over the past year or so, but it still takes me a while to dry my hair because it is very long, my hair. So like with this hairdryer, it takes me around about 15 to 20 minutes, which to me is not bad compared to like a lot of the hairdryers that I've used. You know, it can take me a little bit longer, so the time for this doesn't really bother me, because even though I'm spending that amount of time drying my hair with this, it's a lot better for your hair because you're not actually blasting it with like really hot heat, you know, for the full 15-20 minutes, you know, because it's of the light technology in it. I will list my hair products that I've used down below for you guys. I've been switching up my hair care routine quite a bit lately, so I will list exactly what I've used today in my hair down in the description box for you. So I'm going to start demoing it right now, and you'll see once I turn it on, this little mirror panel here light up, and I'll keep it on the care mode. So as you can see, like I showed you there, the different settings. Okay, so here I'm just using the hairdryer with no attachment to dry my hair 80% of the way. So with using the hairdryer like this, you get the most out of the light technology. So the little mirrored panel that you see on the hairdryer lights up and this creates like the heat you need to dry the hair, but it still stays pretty cool, even though the type of light care that Zuvi uses simulates the early morning sun and wind from nature to give you like a more natural hair care experience. Now here I'm just using my brush to help straighten out the hair. So for a really sleek, smooth hair look, I really like to just use my brush and brush through my hair every so often, and I love using a paddle brush to do this. I don't toss my hair about too much when I'm blow drying my hair, because for a really kind of smooth, sleek finish, I like to just point my hairdryer downwards. Like, I always like to keep it pointed downwards. This gets the best out of like a very sleek blowout. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the style concentrator. So this really helps to straighten out the hair, also helps to calm down any little flyaways that I have, and again I'm pointing it downwards all the time. This just really helps for that smooth, sleek finish. And again, I'm using my paddle brush every so often just to help straighten also, and I'm just kind of twisting and turning the little style concentrator to different angles to make sure I hit the hair in every direction. Also, with the style concentrator attachment, you want to keep it pretty close to the hair. This is what really helps to smooth out the hair and give you that sleek finish. And as you can see, my hair is looking really sleek and smooth, which I'm absolutely loving. I just love the finish that this hairdryer gives to my hair. I also love that I don't feel super warm when I'm trying to dry my really long hair. So yeah, I love the light care technology aspect of the hairdryer. And then to finish off my look, I'm actually going to use the Cool Shot. So this here, you hold in the mode button to activate the cool air, and I do that for a couple of minutes just to set the hair, just to set the style down, and just, yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful after you use a little Cool Shot. Okay, so this is how my hair looks afterwards. It's very smooth, very sleek. I love how the hairdryer and that little style concentrator just really smooths down all the little flyaway bits and makes it really nice and smooth. My hair has a nice little bit of volume to it, which is really good as well, because I do have quite naturally kind of flat straight hair, so I like that the hairdryer gives a little bit of volume. I don't flick my hair about too much when I'm drying. I just sort of like always keep my hairdryer pointed downwards to get that really smooth, sleek finish. My hair feels really good after I use the hairdryer as well. It just feels a lot more hydrated. You don't feel like it's been blasted with loads of hot air. So yeah, I love how my hair has been looking and feeling the past few months that I've been using the hairdryer. So yeah, I was just really excited to share the hairdryer with you guys. If you're interested in the hairdryer, I will leave it down below in the description box for you. Definitely worth trying if you want to keep the health of your hair, because a lot of the hairdryers are just like blasting your hair with too much heat. So yeah, love that aspect of this hairdryer. That is it for this sleek, smooth blowout at home. As you can see, very sleek, very smooth. I'm just absolutely loving it. I could definitely do a hair care routine if you'd like me to. I have been switching up my products quite a bit lately, just trying to find not to find, but just switching up a little bit to see, you know, what the difference would be with different products. So yeah, let me know if you'd like to see a video on that. I could definitely show you my hair care routine, or I could show you the products that I have been using lately. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.